record. Mhm. So, good morning once again, everyone. Yesterday, we have learned the case in which sum of two sides is given to us and base angle and base length is given to us. Today, we will see the second case of construction, that is case number 2, when base is given in a triangle. Then, sir, doubt in 11.2, question number 2. Yes, 11.2, question number 2 will be done after this concept. Don't worry. So base is given to you, base angle is given to you, or one base angle is given to you. And third thing is difference of remaining sides. This is the case. Now everything is fine, base is fine, this is fine, but this difference of remaining sides give me two things. Either one side will be larger or second will be larger. Let us see the case one, or you can say the sub case one. The first sub case is when side containing base angle is larger. This is the first sub case, and second sub case is side containing base angle is smaller. Only two cases are possible. Now let us see. Suppose you have a triangle in which a side BC is given to you as whatever it is, suppose 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, it is given to you. Angle B is given to you like this. Suppose this is 60 degree. Okay, so they both are same. Class, are you able to understand? These both are same. We have drawn angle CBX. So till now everything is fine. If you have a base of 5 centimeter and you have a base angle of 60 degree, everything is fine, everything is same. The difference comes in the third part. The difference comes in the third part, that is difference of remaining side. So if it is given to you that AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter, can you tell me amongst AB and AC which side is larger? If AB minus AC is 3 centimeter, amongst AB and AC, which side is larger? Yes, good. Obviously, we know in subtraction, the one with having a larger sign will come in the answer. So obviously, AB is having the more magnitude than AC. Now, if you know the diagram of triangle ABC looks like this, class. Can we say angle side AB, side containing base angle is which side? Please tell me. If this is a triangle and angle B is given to you, which side is containing the angle? Again, no, Vaishnav. AB is containing the angle, na beta. This is given to you angle 60 degree, and the side with this angle only is larger. This is the first case. And if so, in this case, when side containing the angle is larger, we take the arc of 3 centimeter above like this. So here we take the arc above the base. Sir, allow Tane to enter. Okay. Amrit, Krish, Abhishek, Tane, Soham, Pranav. Now, this was the first case. And similarly here, in case it is given to you that AC minus AB is equal to 3 centimeter, everything is same. We have just changed the sides. Now tell me which side is larger. Tell me which side is larger. This time AC is larger. That means again in my triangle, I know BC, I know angle B. It is 60 degree. But this time the side containing the angle is smaller. Class, if you observe, this time this AB which is containing the angle is smaller. So I will have to mark the arc below BC. So this time we will have to extend we will have to extend this and call it CBX dash, and we will have to cut the arc below. So we cut arc below the base. That's it. If you are able to understand these two cases, these questions are very easy. So let me do the first one first. In the construction, question is, let's take the example from RS only. Example is, example number 3 we have done yesterday. Fourth we have done, huh? Fifth let's do. Fifth is also done. Sixth. Sir, repeat. Yuvika. Yuvika, it will be repeated better here in only in the question only. I will repeat. Don't worry. Example number 6. Don't worry, Yuvika. It will be repeated in the question only. Same concept. I will repeat. Construct a triangle ABC. Question is saying construct triangle ABC in which BC is 5.6 centimeter, angle B is 30 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Measure ABAC, justify your construction. Okay. Now class, as I've told you, we always draw a rough diagram first. Before making the actual building, it is always advisable to draw a rough diagram. And rough diagram looks like this. We have BC of 5.6 centimeter. We have angle B of 30 degree. And we have other sides AB and AC. First, Yuvika, tell me which side is containing the angle amongst AB and AC? Amongst AB and AC, which side is containing the angle? Yes, Rudra. Yuvika, please answer, beta. Yes, Yuvika, you are correct. It is AB. AB is containing the angle. Now tell me, Yuvika, amongst AB and AC, which side is larger? Amongst AB and AC, which side is larger? AB is larger, therefore AB is more than AC, as side containing the angle is larger. We take arc where, Yuvika? We take arc upwards. Yes, above. Now let us see the construction fast. Sorry. Now, let's start. First thing we have, okay, here the construction is upward, so I can draw the base below, no issue. Like this, I can draw. So the base is how much? 5.6. From 0 we will start till 5.6. Now we have got this. Let me call it BC. The construction step will be draw BC is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Second step is draw angle CBX is equal to how much? 30 degree. And we all know how to draw that. Very easy. First we will draw which angle? First we will draw a 60-degree angle. And after that we will bisect the angle. So this is the arc for 60-degree angle. Then we will bisect it. To bisect it, I have opened it a little bit so that it is easier for me and it is very, what you say, clean also. So let us take the arc for 30 degree. Similarly, putting on 60-degree angle and again taking the arc. So we have got it. This is the angle CBX. In these questions, it's better to use a full page. If you know it is going to take downward, so you have to make it in the middle portion so that you can use the downward portion also. Now, after making this, the next part is what? Please tell me. Now what will we do? Now what shall we do, class? We will take an arc for AB minus AC, and that arc will come where? Upward or downward? Please tell me. That will come upwards. The reason being very simple, because side containing the angle is larger. So this arc is of how much? 3.5. So let me open it. Let me open the log first. 3 point. It is 3.5 or 3 point? It is 3 only. Okay. So it is 3 only. Again, locking it, taking it to that portion where we want the arc. Arc will come here. So please tell me, is this arc giving us the third vertex A? Please confirm. Is this arc giving us the third vertex A? No. This is an intermediate point. We can call it D. We can call it D. This is going to help us somehow. We will see. So yesterday what we have done, after getting the intermediate point, we joined it with what? Please tell me. Yesterday, after getting the intermediate point, we joined it with C point, that is the third vertex. No, Bhavya. First we join with C, the third vertex. So let me join with it first. After joining, we have got DC, and yesterday also, Abin, yesterday we have bisected this DC perpendicularly, if you remember, and to bisect perpendicularly, we have to, okay, one problem is there. Now I will face that I have not left any space downwards. So while constructing that perpendicular bisector, I will face a problem. If you don't want to face a problem, you will have to make some space for the bisector below. This was my mistake. So please check the waiting room. Aryaman. Okay. Dhruv, Jivansh, Varun, Lakshay, Parkhi, Suhavni. Welcome all at 8:16. Welcome to Air India. Okay. Okay. Now see. So class, now the problem is, or now the concept is to draw its perpendicular bisector. For that, what we do? We open it more than half. So let me open it like this. I think it will work in our case. So let me take the first one here. Let me take, okay, that side also one, na? Yes, from C to D. If you want to make it look better, you should open it more than half, है ना? जितना you will open it, the what you say, cleanliness will be more there, ना? It will be more clean, the diagram. So this is the downward arc. Now keeping on point D, I hope Yuvika, it is now clear to you. See, in my case, I won't be able to see the downward point. So little issue. So I will be making it with a idea. Okay. Let me assume it is here only. So it will look something like this. So I am making with a rough idea like this somewhere. Yes. So I am thinking like this, it is cutting this DC. Now this is the perpendicular bisector. Now class, tell me, what is the third vertex? This one on BX or this one on CD? Sir, we are bisecting AC. No, beta, we are perpendicular bisecting DC, not AC. A तो भी है ही नहीं हमारे पास. Arunanjan, we are bisecting this one. So we have to obtain this point that we have obtained on this is your point A. So we have finally obtained the point A. Now we have to join A and C, and we have obtained our triangle. Class, again I'm repeating. First I have drawn BC. Second I have drawn angle CBX 30 degree. Third step, I have taken an arc BD of 3 centimeter upwards. After that, I have joined D and C. Okay. Now we have drawn a perpendicular bisector of CD to cut BX at point what? To cut BX at what point? At point A. Yes. And finally, I have joined A and C. Now tell me, yesterday we have seen this perpendicular bisector concept in a triangle, what can I say? AD equal to what? Class, AD equal to what? If I want to verify this thing, I can say AD and AC are equal. This will help me in verification process. And my triangle is triangle ABC. Today at your home, you can try this question and you will get it very easily. Now let me do the verification process for you. Sir, we have to verify also. Yes, beta, you have to verify also. Actually, verification is done just to tell you why you are doing such things, to get you, what do you say, to make you aware the properties that you are using actually. So class, we can say this BD we all know is how much, class? Please tell me. BD was how much? Please tell me. BD was how much? This was the first arc that I have taken. It was 3 centimeter given to us. Yes. Nice. Now tell me, after getting point A, what we can say? AB minus this, what do you say, AD. If I find AB minus AD, that will be how much? That will be 3 again, because AB minus AD is BD only. Now, can I say? We can say AD equal to AC. How I can say this? Because point A is lying on the, if I am saying AD equal to AC, this I am saying because point A is lying on the what? Perpendicular bisector of side DC. So because A is lying on perpendicular bisector of side DC, and this is the property of triangle. If a point is lying somewhere on perpendicular bisector, that point is equivalent from or equidistant from the remaining 2 points. That's it. So if I know this thing, can I replace this AD with AC? I can replace now. I can say this thing, and with this my verification is, yes class, done, proved. Yes, it is proved. Now if you allow, shall I take the next case also, where we are taking the arc downwards? Okay, now I'm taking that case in which we will take the arc downwards. Just try to observe properly. It is very easy. Sir, the value of AB, but you have to measure it na, using scale. AB, you have to measure it using scale at your home only. Sir, we could measure the sides and verify the difference. Aha, Vaishnav, very good. No, beta, that is also required if it is asked. But to verify, you have to verify geometrically. Okay, to verify, you have to verify geometrically this way only. It's very easy. No issue is there. I know you can do it. Now let's try the next example. We have 7 minutes left. The next one is, construct a triangle ABC. Again, we have a triangle ABC to draw, in which BC is 6 centimeter. Thank God it is larger. Angle B is 60 degree. Thank God it is easier. And AC minus AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Again, measure AC and AB and justify your construction. So we all are ready. So as I've told you, the first step is always to draw a rough diagram, class. The rough diagram will look like this. BC is 6 centimeter, angle B is 60 degree, and we have ABC like this. Now tell me, class, the side containing the angle is again what? In this case also, the side containing the angle is what? Oh, after that, first I want the name. Is it AB or AC? Is it AB or AC? It is AB. And as per this difference, we can say other side is larger. Other side is larger. So we will make the angle, we will extend it downwards and cut the arc downwards. So let us start the question. Let us start. This time I will keep that in mind to have some space over there. F11. But AB smaller. Yes, beta. AB is smaller. Yuvika, you are very much absolutely correct. So let us see. The first thing is we have this BC as 6 centimeter. Let's hope it will be done in this one only. 6 centimeter, exactly this one. Have your pencil sharp, have your mind sharp, everything sharp, and then only you try these questions. Now BC we have got as 6 centimeter, the first step. Then we have to draw angle 60°. So again the same procedure. On point B I will draw the angle 60°. Log this. Now keeping it here, I will take another arc. I guess got it. Fine. Finally, we have the angle. So this is known as angle. I think again we will have some issue, but let's see. Let's see what is good for us. Hide this one. Okay. Now I have this as, suppose, x. Class, is it enough or we have to do something else? Because AB is smaller, we will have to, because the side containing the angle is smaller, we will have to extend what? Please tell. We will have to extend this BX, not BC. Bhavya, we will have to extend this BX downwards. We will have to extend this downwards. So let us do that. Like this, you have to extend, and you can call it bx dash. You can call it bx dash. This is your bx and this is your bx dash. Now the arc we will take downwards of how much length? Please tell me, class. The arc will be equal to the difference, that is, please tell. Yes, it is 2. So again, keeping on the scale, I will open it till 2 centimeter and I will lock it. I will keep it here. I will bring it near and I will cut it dear. So let's see. It is done. So what do we call this? Shall we call this point A? Shall we call this point A? We will call this point D. We will call this point D, the intermediate point. As soon as we get the intermediate point, the next step is always similar. We have to connect it with point C. So let us connect it. After this, again, same procedure. What will we do now? Please tell me. After connecting this CD, what shall we do now? Sir, why are we doing it downwards? Anuranjan Topo. Anuranjan, actually the base angle given to you is 60° and the side containing the angle is smaller. So you don't have any idea of the larger side, that is AC. So indirectly you are finding the AC in this way. Okay. If you go with the same method, you will never get the correct answer. Okay. So we will have to perpendicularly bisect this CD. To bisect it, we all know what to do. Keeping on point C, open it more than half. I have done that. Lock it over here. Take the first arc. Somewhere here it will come. Sir, the arc of BX dash is made from this point only, beta. This B only. है ना? From B only, I have made the arc BD. From B only, I have made the arc BD equal to 2 centimeter downwards. Okay, that's it. But Ayush, what happened? Why no? Ayush, what happened? Please tell what happened, beta. Now the second arc. Sir, there are 2 points. Okay, sorry, that second point is false one. This point where right now my needle is pointing, this is the point B. Okay, that is matra ittifaq, second one. Now see, इसका हमारी कहानी से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है, वो मात्र एक संयोग है। सर यू एक्चुअली टुक दैट एज BD। ओह, I took that as BD. Sorry then, if I take the second point is wrong. It was an illusion. Maybe by mistake I have taken it. You don't make it, है ना? पता नहीं कैसे बन गया यहाँ पर. I don't know. So you can, again we have done a mistake. Sorry, we have not. I have done a mistake. So again my point is coming in the, what you say, dark valley, and in the dark valley we cannot see the point. So you took R from B only. Okay, it's okay. Now this point is wrong, huh? Let me, I can't erase it here, no? This point is nothing. Let me show you. This is the point B. This is wrong. This is nothing. Okay, now class, we have got the perpendicular bisector of this DC. Okay, sorry, actually in talking with you I'm doing the mistakes. Time is also less. So you have to keep compass on C, take the arc. You have to keep compass on D. I think you guys saying I have mistakenly did on B. That was a mistake. Keep on D and then take arc. This is correct. Yes, beta. Sorry. Now we have got it. Join this. Somewhere here it will come. Again in dark valley only. 1 second. It needs some space to be drawn properly. So somewhere here we will get the bisector. Yes, it is a dark area, we cannot see. Suppose this is the midpoint. So we will call this point as A on our required this thing, and we will join this A with C, and this is the required triangle. Class, this time this AC is equal to what? Class, this time this AC is equal to what? Try to think. Perpendicular bisector किसका बनाया आपने? It is equal to, no Utkarsh, we have drawn perpendicular bisector of DC and A is lying on that. So AD equal to AC, na? AD equal to AC. My diagram is a little bit wrong because of this dark area. AD is equal to AC should come in your figure. Okay, at home you can try. I think it is done. Yes, let me show you fast. Now let us verify this, how it is correct. Now we know, please see, we know what is given to us. AC minus AB equal to how much? Class, 2 centimeter. It is given to us. Now we know that right now AD, complete AD minus complete this AB equal to how much? Class, if you observe diagram that I have drawn, complete AD minus AB is how much? Sir, why you have done in downward area? Beta, what? Garima, the arc you are asking? The reason is because side containing the angle is smaller. That is why I have taken the arc downwards. Okay. See, this AD minus AB, if you observe, is 2 centimeter. Now we can replace this AD with what? Class, we can replace this AD with what? AC, because again the A is lying on perpendicular bisector of triangle ADC side DC. So we can replace AD is equal to AC because A is lying on perpendicular bisector of DC. That is why we can replace this with that, and we have got what was required. Okay, take your time. It is similar to last question. Only difference is we are taking the arc downwards. Everything is same. Same points I have taken so that there is no confusion. Okay. First, let me stop the recording.